Right, so what's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So since the last video that was uploaded, it's been a week now. So the upper session that you guys saw, that was week 2 of the mesocycle. We're now currently into week 3 of this mesocycle, and we're in today for a pull session. In terms of overall productivity, fatigue management, I'm starting to feel that now. It's starting to creep in. Obviously, when we get towards the latter ends of a mesocycle, fatigue accrual is creeping in more exponentially. So you're getting that overlapping effect of that local fatigue to the actual muscles that you're training relative to the training session, and then that's now overlapping more into like central nervous system fatigue. So coming into the session today, I was feeling a little bit drained. So I like to be conservative with my caffeine intake. So in the beginning of a mesocycle, I'll be sticking to just like either a black coffee or nothing at all. Maybe like a non-stim pump pre-workout. But now week 3, this is where I'm starting to feel like I need some kind of artificial boost in energy. So I've had my monster. We've got deadlifts on the cars today. So I don't really think I'm going to talk much about that because I really need to just be in my zone. I've got these big numbers that I need to hit today. We're going to crack on with this session, and then as we get through, the workout, when we get past the deadlifts, we'll start talking about a few talking points that I want to discuss in this video, just about overall managing fatigue, accumulating fatigue, etc. But for now, we've got some deadlifts to get on with. So catch you guys in a bit. Go. Gym pin extender. If you want to get yours, use my code Warrior10, get you 10% off. But essentially all I've done here is I've maxed out the stack. So then you can stick this extender in there, stick some plates on top of it, and then you still have that ability to progress your lifts. Taking the piss out of that. So you're probably wondering why am I not putting more plates onto the actual extender? The reason being, unfortunately, this is in the way, so it's preventing me from putting any more plates on there. So unfortunately, I'm having to find any way that I can to stack more weight on there. So 10 kilo dumbbells, stick them through here and just hope the cable doesn't snap. Just done my warm-up sets. We're now going to move into feeder sets. So feeder sets for me is literally just periodizing up and load. Do 1 rep each time as we get a close proximity to the actual working set. So today, working set, top working set, we're looking at 2, 4, 5 for a good 5 to 6 repetitions. Now, my approach to my deadlifts at the moment is I've got my top set beltless, and it's a dead pause. So no belt, get to the bottom, let the weight complete set, and then go again. And then the back off set, we're aiming for, I think, 205 kilos, and we're going to do beltless continuous reps. So we've got a little bit of a bounce at the bottom to get that momentum and just keep it in motion. So that's the approach today. But yeah, we've got about another two more feeder sets, and then we're going to go into the top set. Yeah. 2 by 5 for 12, 1 rep up. Progression, across 5 sets. Off to a good start. Alright guys, so we're on to exercise 3 now, and it's the unilateral pull down. So I've heard a few other YouTubers mention this recently about, we always like to construct the most optimal program in terms of exercise selection, exercise sequencing, but sometimes when you're training in commercial gyms, other people are going to be using other pieces of equipment, and that equipment might be the piece of equipment that you need. I used to be guilty for being really stubborn, and I used to hang around people and I'll say like, look, I want this machine, like fuck off essentially. Obviously I wouldn't say that, but that was my presence. So we're having to rotate. I was going to be doing a hammer strength lat pull down as my next movement, but what we're going to do is we're going to do this movement first of all, then we're going to jump on to the hammer strength lat pull down. Alright, so moving on to the next exercise. So we've done the unilateral cable pull down, then we moved on to the unilateral hammer strength pull down. So what I've done is I auto-regulated. I had 2 sets for the hammer strength lat pull down, but the top set, unfortunately I didn't progress it. So rather than doing a backload set, I've auto-regulated and I've taken a set from there and I'm going to put it onto this movement. Set, and then that's going to be a wrap up in this session. Alright guys, so that's a wrap up for this session. Pretty good productive session. So as I said earlier, as we're getting deeper into this mesocycle, it's getting harder to earn the progression. So definitely felt it today, had to work a lot harder for the progressions across those sets. I'm just going to wrap up now with some bicep work, but we're not going to film that because that stuff's boring. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this session. I hope you guys enjoyed those tips and they were informative. Obviously, as I said in that previous video, I want more interaction from you guys. So any comments that you have, any questions that you have, any topics that you want me to discuss in a video, drop comments down below and we'll get something sorted out for you in the future videos. But if you're new around here, give this video a like for me, subscribe to the YouTube channel, it would really help me out, and thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.